What is the Nutrivore Score and how do I use it? This is part of my Nutrivore how-to series. The Nutrivore Score is a quantification of nutrient density, which means it's a measure of total nutrients per calorie. When you choose a high Nutrivore Score food, that food is contributing a lot of nutrients to your overall diet relative to the calories it contains. How do you use the Nutrivore Score day to day? You can look up the Nutrivore Score of nearly 8,000 foods for free on my website. Go to nutrivore.com/search. Now that you know where to find the Nutrivore Scores of foods, how do we use this fascinating number? First and foremost, we don't only want to consider the Nutrivore Score when we're choosing foods. That's worth its whole own video. So the best two ways to use the Nutrivore Score is 1, simple swaps, and 2, addition. For simple swaps, think of other foods that could play the same role in your meal. Let's say it's a side dish that's a steamed vegetable. So then you could look up the Nutrivore Score, see that green beans are around 600, and decide to swap those out for asparagus, which is around 1,300, if I remember correctly. Or swap the asparagus out for steamed broccoli, which is around 2,800. Of course, we don't always want to pick broccoli. We will also talk about the importance of mixing it up and dietary diversity in this Nutrivore Day-to-Day series. Using the Nutrivore Score for additions is just that. Think about what you can add to your meal that wouldn't have been there already that ups its nutrient density. Maybe you weren't planning a steamed vegetable and now you're going to add steamed broccoli. I would say vegetables in general and herbs and spices are top candidates here. One of the main reasons why I like this strategy is it keeps us only using the Nutrivore Score to compare very related foods that fill similar nutritional niches, and maintains the right order of operations here, which is to think first of the types of nutrients this food contains, the role that food plays in our meal, and then we can use the Nutrivore Score to identify the most nutrient-dense options within those foods. My view this morning is my third favorite tree, just starting to leaf out in the spring. It's an American beech tree, and the reason why I love it is because of the shape of its roots as it holds onto the hill. Isn't it pretty?